Eva Longoria.
Mucho gusto.
11 generations ago, one of my ancestors left Spain for the New World and a new life. 400 years later, I'm back
I'm so excited.
to see how the land and its people have created one of the world's most exciting cuisines.
Are you hungry?
I'm hungry.
Oh, perfect.
Wow. You can taste the land, the grass, what they eat.
Look at that guy.
Oh, yeah. Food makes me so happy.
I get to visit long-lost family.
Hola, familia.
If you can preserve your food and your recipes, then you can teach the rest of the world who you are.
This is so beautiful.
Salud to that.
This is cuisine at a different level.
Oh, my God.
We have found Spain.
Eva Longoria, Searching for Spain. New series April 28th on Flavour Network and streaming on Stack TV and the Global TV app.